Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci systems that you can apply to all instruments. In front of you, extremely important moment in your trading. Market keeps bouncing from this level. This level extremely important this morning. This level critical this morning. This been happening non-stop. If price is not crashing through this level, this confirms that institutions holding longs. This is little day trading chart that's showing you bullish rally exhausted, market is stuck. This is what software is showing me on my left. We have support, an institutional brick wall this morning. Software is a phenomenal help. That's it. We're in bearish correction. We are in chop. If buyers step in again, for day trader, it is not a good news. Day trader demands a crash, the sell-off, because overextended bullish rally is extremely dangerous market. So here is institutional rally. This was a start, and you knew this months in advance. This is where day trading is a dream. This is not. This is not. This is a market heading higher and higher and higher. That's not a good news. Intelligent trader understands why price is stuck and why this morning market is extremely dangerous. So when you separate brutal nasty markets from spectacular markets, you start enjoying trading. This is key moment in your trading. This is crucial part. There are no conservative trades this morning. They do not exist. If I convert this chart to 5, this is a market since yesterday close. Poor, poor, poor shorts. Obliterated. 99.9% of traders love to short the markets. Not so fast. Not a good idea. This is Alpha Fibonacci support. We've been here for the last 16 hours. For 16 hours, shorts are failing. But it's been happening the entire week. Institutions adding to their longs. And again, it doesn't matter if it's 10, it doesn't matter if it's 15, it doesn't matter whatever chart you trade. We need a crash, we need sell-off. We did not get one yesterday morning. We got more and more bullish trades. But every single one of these bullish trades extremely aggressive because institutional brick wall remains intact. Institutional brick wall is always a zone. It's never to the tick. Precise entry, precise stop, precise targets. No speculation here. You decide what chart you want to trade. And again, how price collapsed from reversal zone is extremely powerful reminder. Obey the rules, know where to enter, know where to exit. Do not speculate. Do not gamble. Do not create your own random targets, random entries. Do not chase the markets. Bearish news and crash this morning is a gift. If not, market will become more dangerous, more nasty. And again, you knew all of this far in advance. This is a war for the last 16 hours. Intelligent trader does not want the war. Intelligent trader demands peace. Intelligent trader outsmarts the markets. Intelligent trader does not go to war with the market. And that's a test you must pass every single day. This is the worst markets that play out at least 40% of the time. On S&P, on Nasdaq, on Dow, on Apple, on Amazon, on Tesla, on every instrument, on Bitcoin. When market overbought and stuck and frozen, these are the worst market conditions. When market oversold, frozen, institutions holding shorts, these are the most dangerous market conditions. Take a vacation, walk away. This is psychological warfare. This is psychological test. Intelligent trader remains firm. Intelligent trader trading Alpha Fibonacci system, knowing quite well. If for the last 16 hours all shorts fail at this level, shorting this morning is not an option. Success rate on shorts at this level, 6.5%. You jump on short, you're gambling. Do you want to trade with 6.5% success rate? If the answer is not, that's it. Trading becomes simple. Support is present. You do not gamble. Institutions buying. You are not shorting the markets. Agree? It's black and white. The only option, extremely aggressive long. Extremely aggressive trading should never be an option for you unless you doubled and tripled and quadrupled your account. Only then you can use very small lot size. So this is crucial, critical part of your trading. Only when you master brutal, nasty markets, you become successful. Again, this plays out on all instruments. Again, this plays out on all time frames. Without this, success is not possible. Without this, trading is gambling. And if this continues, we will go into class much sooner. So this is for intelligent trader looking to buy Netflix. When rules are met, trader takes a trade. What is the problem? My goodness, top hedge funds in the US putting billions of dollars on the line on Netflix. $1 billion trade at reversal zone. Poor Aikman. He continued placing some of the worst trades I've seen. So if you're trading Alpha Fibonacci system, you are smarter than top hedge fund managers in US. He bought Netflix at reversal zone. He should have been buying Netflix here. It's exact same thing. Look what's happening on S&P. You don't have to wait for days, weeks, and months to see the power of the system. You see it in front of you instantly. So if I go back on Netflix before the crash, intelligent traders shorting Netflix, not buying Netflix at reversal zone. So if day trading not for you, you are not capable to pass psychological test, you are not superior at technical execution, trade system long term better than top hedge fund traders in US. You know far in advance that Netflix setting up for crash. So when Aikman buying, we're laughing in classes because intelligent traders shorting Netflix. Netflix collapsed from 700 to 180 level. So if you don't have billions of someone else's money, if you are managing your own money, you need to make an effort. Simply do that. And when Netflix selling off, you know many months in advance where key support will be. No gambling, no speculation here. Identical level on every instrument. Identical price action on every instrument. The only difference, risk management and trade hold time. Is S&P reminding you again the importance of this level? Of course. This is how you pass psychological tests. You are not a gambler. You have zero interest thinking and trading as the bottom 99% does. You are strategizing. You are detoxing your brain of junky strategies, junky subconscious habits. You remained firm this morning. This confirms institutions holding longs. It is between this level and this level. And that's very dangerous market. And that's very dangerous crawl. No speculation, no gambling here. 16 hours of this. And again, this can last days, this can last weeks. If there is no institutional profit taking, you will be tested to the core. Big money on vacation, big money doing nothing, adding to longs. So when you master this part, number one, you stop shorting. Look at your account. If your account is 80+% shorts, after a single class on Thursday, you understand why you have not been successful. Because you've been trading against JP Morgan, BlackRock, Goldman traders. Only longs are present. That's it. If this level remains intact, bullish rally is on. But again and again and again, your trading range extremely limited this morning. Extremely aggressive longs. There is no other option. But again, if you're pulling a trigger, you exiting near this level. You understand institutional brick wall remains intact. Price struggling to break through this level. We've been here 4 days. No institutional sellers. None are present. But exact same thing on Bitcoin. Identical. You are not buying Bitcoin at the top. You are not a gambler. This is the part that was killing me. When traders kept calling me and saying, "Oh, I'm just gonna buy Bitcoin and hold." So here are some of the biggest losses in the markets by top hedge fund traders in US. Single loss $6 billion by Michael Saylor, who was in the news every single day telling everyone to buy Bitcoin. Oops. Now, Michael Saylor asking government to regulate Bitcoin. That's it. How ironic. Because exact same Michael Saylor was all over the news to buy Bitcoin. That only fools do not buy Bitcoin. So if you do not have $6 billion to lose, the only option left to use your brilliant brain and to make an effort. If you don't have billions to lose, don't listen to noise. Make a brilliant effort, please. You knew extremely clear to exit Bitcoin at this level. Bitcoin may be at 100,000 in the next life. Not any time soon. So when I see that exact same crypto traders who lost billions now screaming that Bitcoin going to 500, in a single class you see, it's gambling, it's hype, it's noise. You are not a gambler. You are not jumping on bandwagon. You are exiting your long. That's it. Where did Bitcoin finding buyers? Is anyone surprised? Bitcoin oversold. But there is no power in this bullish rally. When sell-off on Bitcoin started in December 2021. Here is January. Sell-off is on. Price is moving one step at a time. Intelligent trader understands this is crucial critical level. No buyers this time. Bitcoin crashes lower. So when you're using your brilliant brain, when you're making an effort, you're treating noise, you're treating major news as volatility only. You're trading the price with Alpha Fibonacci rules. And when you do a whole lot better than Aikman, than Saylor, than Novogratz, who combined lost at least 10 billion plus. So if you do not have a billion or two or six to lose, please make an effort. Please understand, with Alpha Fibonacci system, you can trade all instruments. So Richard is here this morning. Richard is a legend. He's trading options on Tesla. Is anyone surprised where buyers stepped in from on Tesla? Should not be. As you will see in the last email Richard sent me, he's very well prepared for Tesla earnings today. No gambling here. As we discussed, buyers stepped in on Tesla at exact same level, but again and again and again, Richard joined course in November. The only thing he said in his podcast, he wished he joined much sooner. No surprise where Tesla crashed from, spectacular earnings or not. When rules are met, short Tesla. Do not buy 1200 level. Tesla collapsed from 1200 until 650. Ouch. Spectacular earnings or not. This is a stunning reminder. If you're trading long term, you're looking at your charts once a day, once a week, once a month. You do not need to be tested psychologically. Psychological warfare on S&P is on. It is not on Tesla. It is not. Flawless. Stunning. Reversal. So again, S&P does this 40% of the time at least. Nasdaq does this 40% of the time at least. Dow, Apple, Bitcoin, Tesla, Euro, Pound, everything does this all the time. Every instrument moves exactly the same. Only when you pass this test, you become successful. Here's Euro with Alpha Fibonacci System since 2016. So when a hedge fund manager in Switzerland trading Forex long term, this is a chart. This is critical level on Euro now. Euro been bouncing from this level for the last 6 years. One is out, 87 cents next. 87 cents out, 60 cents to follow. Pound. Already done all of that. Do you remember pound at 2100 level? Bad for Americans, bad for the world. No one can afford Britain. Until now. Pound crashed through all levels. This chart been present in the trading room for years. Pound collapsed to reversal zone. Historical low on pound, historical low on euro. Now, massive exodus of Americans buying everything in Europe, especially in France. Portugal closed Visa because Americans been buying so much. So if you're understanding the system, you're taking advantage of that. Historical low on euro, historical low on pound. And you knew this years ahead. You also understand that this is crucial level on pound, 122. But pound no longer at 2100. This is a place to buy pound from. This is crucial test point. And again, if I take you back to pound, after the vertical COVID rally, this is where pound collapsed from. April 2021. You are not buying pound. You are not a gambler. You're shorting pound from top. What else do you remember? When London in complete lockdown and the world is stunned, pound starting spectacular bullish rally. Do you remember Heathrow being closed? Do you remember London a ghost town? Pound skyrocketed. Biggest vertical bullish rally is a very powerful lesson. Start using your brilliant brain. Start making an effort. Do exact same thing every successful human being does. Focus and effort and practice. Three crucial components. And when you have solid strategy, the sky's the limit. The only thing that's left is to identify what's appropriate for you to trade. Pound collapsed again and again and again. This time from 142 until 117. Alpha Fibonacci system applies to all instruments, all time frames, as you see in single class. Day trading not for everyone. Day trading starts with passing psychological test. So if institutions will continue holding longs until the rest of the summer, it means big money on vacation. It means there is absolutely no volume in this market. Longs are being held, creating worst trading market conditions. This is the biggest psychological test. And again, you knew this well before market open. Again, if there is no crash, this is very powerful reminder. Only when you stop gambling, only when you respect weakness in the markets, only when you know where decision point one is, you can become successful. That's it. This is broker's heaven. For the last 16 hours. Can last the next 16 days. When institutions holding positions. This is the most challenging market to trade. And that's the focus of the next live class. So if you want to trade better than Aikman, than Novogratz, than Michael Saylor, I look forward working with you. You can always log in to the trading room to see the power of the system in the live markets. So please review everything on the website and understand. If you're done speculating and gambling, chasing delayed indicators, every single indicator on the planet is delayed, looks good only after the fact, never before. If you're sick and tired of losing money, I look forward to working with you. What I will be teaching you applies to all instruments, applies to all time frames. Only you can make a decision what you want to trade. You can trade the system on all platforms or with software for Ninja 8. So please listen to students' podcasts from all over the world. View students' performance, where you will see that fathers bringing their children to the course, that husbands bringing their wives to the course. And if these traders can do it, so can you. This is a trader that holds the bar very, very high. Listen to Dominic's podcast, who started trading live after 2 weeks in the course. Dominic thinks trading is the easiest thing with Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8. But his father, Andy, has zero interest in day trading. His father, Andy, managing multi-million-dollar accounts with Alpha Fibonacci System in UK, updating me on consistent profits, better than ever. 2 years later, and that spectacular thing. Listen to podcasts. If these traders can do it, so can you. This is the latest emails I received from traders. Richard, legend. Richard is here this morning. So are traders from all over the world. How you will decide to trade the system is absolutely your choice. Absolutely up to you. This is S&P, multi-month trading accounts. Updates keep coming non-stop. It never gets sold. Choice is yours. But your success starts with practicing on all time frames. I have obsession with Fibonacci and your method, and I'm doubling my account every 90 days. Philip is a legend. Every trader, different background. I simply ask you to make an effort. And if these traders can do it on Forex, on crypto, if Richard can do it on Tesla, so can you. It never gets old, seeing what's possible when student obeys the rules and makes an effort. But again, in day trading it all starts with passing the test. This is Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja 8. This is option 2 and 4. So please review everything on website and recognize we are in historical events. Speculation and gambling during these markets is the most dangerous thing you can ever do. Software included an option 2. This is the most popular option. Everything on website fully automated. You sign up for the course, you sign the agreement, and log into the member area. You can start watching 20 videos 24/7. And if you can come to the live class, fantastic, amazing. But it's never a requirement. 50% of students working full time, 50% of students in other countries. Watching video library. I teach exact same thing I taught to JP Morgan traders. Private mentoring 3 and 4. I highly encourage you to speak with me first. In private mentoring, everything included, lifetime system for all platforms and lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 option 4. But no software required. System been traded globally on all platforms, all instruments. Any questions? Pick up the phone and call or email me. US 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As again and again and again, your success starts when you obey the rules and understand the danger of overextended bullish rally. 16 hours of this war zone, 16 hours of broker's heaven, can last 16 days, can last 16 weeks. Hamptons are packed. I know. I just came back from Hamptons. That's it. So I teach you how to live, breathe, and trade as top, better than top hedge fund traders on the planet.